The parallax effect is a great way to add depth to your 2D game. In this video, we'll cover the process of creating a parallax effect in your 2D game. This video is part of a much larger series where I cover everything you need to know for building your own 2D side view game. The project is available for free through my GitHub account, and you can access that by clicking the link in the description below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also check out my Patreon account if you want to donate that way. Also, be sure to follow us on our social media accounts to get updates on the latest videos. So in Unity, I'll start by creating a new script by right-clicking in the project panel, navigating to create, and selecting C# script. I'll name this script Parallax and then double-click it to open it in Visual Studio. So we can set this effect up pretty easily. All we need to do is two floats, one for the object's starting X position and one to track the speed of the object. In the start function, I'll set the starting variable to the current position on the x-axis, and in the update function, I'll create a float to track the change in position. I'll calculate this position by multiplying the current x position of the camera by the speed variable. Then I'll set the current position of the transform to a new vector 3. And for the x parameter, I'll add the speed and change together. Now I'll simply leave the y and z parameters alone. And back in Unity, I already have my layer set up that I want to parallax. And each layer is made up of a tile map with a few effects. I'll select all my tile map grids and apply the parallax script I just created. I should actually make this speed variable public so that we can change the speed on each one of these game objects. So I'll re-enter Visual Studio real quick. The foreground layer, we don't actually need a parallax script because we want it to move along with the current speed of the camera. But leaving the speed at 0 will have the same effect, and so I'll just leave it as is. For the second layer, I want to move it a little bit slower, so I'll set the speed to 0.5. The third layer, I want to move even slower than the previous layer. Now when I play my game and move from side to side, you can see that the layers move independently from one another at a completely different speed. I find that for how easy this is, it really adds a lot of depth and an extra dimension to your 2D game. What's up everyone, thanks for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to follow us on social media to get the latest news updates.